affordable luxury is the address of today's project, which is located in Kucukcekmece area in the European side of Istanbul. Now this project really it has a good premium location since it is next to the Kucukcekmece Lake and it is 5 minutes far away from Marmara Sea. In terms of the transportation, only 1 minute walking distance, you are in the Marmara metro station, which takes you to the Asian side of Istanbul. Turkish brand, a lot of restaurants, cafes, shopping malls, international schools, whatever you want, you can find it a short distance away from you. Project will be delivered in April 2023. 70 apartments, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedrooms. Affordable luxury in terms of the prices, it's affordable. The location is good. It's in the middle of the European side of Istanbul. The social facility for this project, as usual, we have security 24 hours, car parkings, Turkish baths, hammam.